In this video, we will discuss some important programs which may come in your half-yearly practical examination, which is going to be held tomorrow. I have already explained some program in ASMIS, so you can go to my ItzRafiq ASMIS channel. There you can see the video. I have even shared a link here. So first, let's come from chapter 4. Chapter 4, you will see summation of the digit of a number, prime number, and summation of the pattern. Summation of the pattern, it's easy. Just you will use for loop, and inside the for loop you will add the numbers and you will display the value of sum. And from chapter 5 you will see the pattern program, especially you will see the pattern pyramid patterns. It can be either 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 or X pattern, or sometime it may start it from 2 2 2 3 4 like that, or maybe this one 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1. So in this video, at first we'll learn how we can make these pyramid patterns. First, let's come to create first pattern. Here first we'll have to know how many rows are there. We have to calculate the number of rows. So this is row number 1, row number 2, then row number 3, then row number 4, and row number 5. And also we have to know how many columns are there. You'll see at first line there is just one column which we can see, but actually it is not. There are multiple columns. They are in form of spaces, and in the last row the number of column is 1 from 1 to 9. That means total 9 columns are there, and the increasing order is first 1, then 3, then 5. So this way it's going, means the increasing order is not consecutive numbers. It is a pattern. The pattern is going like this way: 1 2 3, not 2 is not there, 1 3 5 7, and so on. So how we'll get this pattern? We will get this pattern if we write this formula: n into 2 minus 1. Here n represents number of rows. So if we are in first row, n will be 1. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 minus 1, it will be 1. In the second line, the row number will be 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. This way we'll get. Means this will be our condition. And n will collect from user, or we can give ourselves. So let's write the program. First we'll have to open code block. Take little time to open the code block. After opening code block, you will get this screen, and you will have to take a new file. You can use shortcut keys Control, Shift, and N. So this shortcut key will create a new file. Many students were not able to take out a new file, so you can use these shortcuts Control, Shift, and N. These three key combination will open a new file. So at first you will change the file type. It's by default plain text that you can see on status bar. You will change into C++. First we'll write header file. So include stdio.h. Then main function int main. After that parenthesis. After that After that braces, inside the braces we will declare variables int I, this is for row numbers, and j, this is for columns. Just we need two variable. Now we will write the first loop. For I equal, we'll start from 1. We'll start from 1. Then I less than equal to. Now how many rows we want, that number we will write here. If we want 4 rows, then we'll write here 4, and if we need more 5 or 6, we'll write that number. Then I plus plus. Then inside this for loop we'll write one more for loop, that is for columns. For here we'll write j equal, we will start j from 1 only, and we will write that particular condition which I have just showed you. So j less than equal n into 2 minus 1, then j plus plus. Now inside the loop we will display the value of j. Printf, here we'll write %d and the value is j. Now we need to display one printf statement also. If we don't display that statement, all the numbers will print in a single line. So we will have to write one printf statement. There inside the printf we will write just /n. Done. Now we'll come out from the loop, and here we'll write return 0 statement. Now let's compile the program. Before compiling, we will have to save the program. We can give any name. After saving, we will go to build menu, and from there build and run, or we can use shortcut key F9. Oh, here is a mistake. Let's find out what mistake I have done. N is undeclared. Yes, I have never declared n, so it will be I here, not n. Actually my variable was I. Again compile. Now we'll see the output is not in a pyramid pattern, it is a triangular pattern. So how we can make it like a triangular shape? For that we have to provide spaces before the rows. Now to apply spaces we need one more variable, s, and as we need before the number, before printing the number only we require the space, so we will write that loop before j. So here we'll write for s equal 1. Now at first let's go to the question. Here at first we will see, we will have to come here. So how many spaces we'll require? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces we need at first line, then 3 spaces, then 2, and this way it will go on. So let's go to our program. So space equal 1 and space less than equal to, here we will write the maximum number of rows in our program, that is 4 minus I. I is like first time if we have 4 rows, then we need 3 space. That's why how we can make it 3? 4 minus I value will be 1, it will be 3. Next row we need 3 spaces, 2 spaces. So that time what will be, I become 2. So 4 minus 2 will get 2. So this way it will go on. And then s plus plus. And inside this loop we will just print a blank space and we'll do nothing. Just we'll print a blank space. Now we'll save the file. Let's compile again. print. It is printf, not print. So this is my pattern. Now what if we have to display x instead of the numbers? Then the same program will continue. We will not do anything. Just instead of writing these things, we will add x here. Means inside the j loop, in printf, we will add only x. Then the output will become this way, number 2 pattern. So let's go to the code block, compile the program and see the output. So you can see now pyramid patterns triangle. So this is the complete code. You can pause the screen and see what I have written here. Now if we have to create the program for the third pattern, for this one, here numbers starting from 2, 2, 3, 4. So how we can do that? Now just simple thing we will do here, %d, and we are going to display the value of j. But if we directly display j, it will start from 1. That's why we will do one more thing, j plus 1. Now you will see the number will start from 2. So here 2, 2, 3, 4. So this way we can do this pyramid shaped triangle program. Now for the next one, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. How we can do that? Let's go. Now here also we need similar program, just a little changes we will have to make. We need one more variable k. K why we required? Let's go to the patterns. Here you see 1, 1 to 1 means numbers are not in a sequence. 1, 2, after that again 1. So we will divide the complete pattern in 3 triangles. One is spaces, one left side one triangle and right side one triangle. So in 3 parts we will divide, after that we will create the program. So let's do it. Here we don't treat this condition, we will just write j less than equal I. Now we'll have to write loop for k also. First let's see the program. So this way we are getting 2, 3, 4 like that, but to start from 1, just we'll remove the plus 1 and we'll compile the program. So here we are getting 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we need the reversed one. So for that we need one more loop, that is k. So we'll write for k equal, we will write I minus 1. K greater than equal to 1 and k minus minus. And inside we will display the value of k. Printf %d k. So it's done. Let's compile the program. So this way you can see 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So this way, if we need only 3 rows, what we will do? Not much more, just our condition will change, we'll make it till 3. Then we will get only 3 rows. So let's compile again. So now we are getting this out. So this way we can do this program. Now you may think why I am writing here I minus 1. So there is a reason for that. You will see if I take out the output, if I write here I equal 1, then what will happen? 1 will print 2 times in the first row, and second row also will get the output is 1 2, then again 2 1. So that way we will get. Let's remove and show the output. You will find the difference. If we remove minus 1 from here, what we will get? So we'll get the output this way. That's why we add I equal minus 1, so that we will remove the middle row from the middle column from this pattern. I hope you have understood. Now we'll move to the next program. Next one is erase one. Declare an, this already we have discussed in other videos. You can go through that. Now let's say factorial of a number and summation of a number by using recursive function. This is also important for your practical. So how to find out factorial of a number first? It's already have in book, still I am explaining the program. First we need the header file. Include stdio.h. After the header file we will declare a function. The return type of the function is integer int find fact, and inside the function we will take one parameter, let it be a or f. Now we will write the declaration, means definition of the function with declaration only. So we'll write here if f greater than 0. If f is greater than 0, what we will do? Then we will return f into again that function find fact, and inside the function will decrease the value of f by minus 1. So we'll write f minus 1, and if it is not 0, then what will if it is greater than 0, otherwise what we'll do? Else return 1. Here we will return 1 it here because there is a reason. If we return 0, then we will get the output is 0 only, because if we multiply any number by 0 we are getting 0. That's why we are returning 1, not 0 here. Now we are going to write main function int main. Inside the main function we need a variable int n and one result. First we'll collect the value of n, so printf enter a number, and have to scan the number also, so scanf %d and ampersand n. Now we will call the function, so we'll write result equal find fact, and inside through the parameters we'll pass the value n. Now we'll display the value of result. Printf factorial is %d and the variable is result, and later last line return 0. So our program done. Now we'll compile the program. enter a number, let the number be 5. So factorial is 120. Now how 120 I'll show you. Let's open calculator. 120 how it will be, like we'll add multiply the number first from 5 from start. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what we are getting? 120. Actually it multiply all the numbers in a sequence, and whatever answer we get, that it reply or it give us as output. Now what if we have to do? Find the summation of n numbers using recursive. Here just what we will do, we will change the function name. We'll write it here find sum, and here also we can make it as s, and similar way it will be s, and function name will be find sum, and instead of multiply we will do plus here, and return not 1, we will give return 0. If we give return 1, then our answer will be always -1. Means suppose I have to get the answer as 15, I will get 14. And here it will be similar, just function name will be changed, find sum, and in printf statement also we can write summation is %d. Only this much changes is required to find the summation of n numbers. So let's find sum is undeclared. Let's see where find sum. F is undeclared. Oh, it is not F, we have changed, it is S. Here also S -1. Enter a number, let the number be 5. So summation is 15. Now how 15? Let's use again calculator. If we give 5, so it will add the numbers 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus and 1. So what we are getting? 15. So that's why the answer is 15. So this way we can do summation of n numbers or factorial of a number using recursive function. So these are these are important for your practical examination. For oral already I have given some questions last year only. You can follow that questions. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.